Now let's see check how to convert any decimal number as a fraction, right? Now for example, I will get 0.6, right? 0.6. Now this is a decimal number, right? How we can convert this as a fraction, right? This is the way, quick way. But now here after decimal point, I mean this side, right? Because we read normally letters from here to here, no? So that's why after decimal point, here we have one digit, no? Remember that person. Then what we need to do, without this decimal point, think what is this number, huh? That means 06, huh? If you erase this decimal point, or if you forget that decimal point, here you have 06. That means basically 6, right? 6, yeah. 0, if you have in front of any number, if you have 0, that means it not has value, no? So it will be just 6. Then after decimal point, there was only one digit, no, here, so that's why only 10 here, and always 1, right? I will show you another one, then you can understand it. Now if you got like this way, 0.12, right? 0.12. Not only that, now this is after that you can simplify, yeah? This is you can cut by 2. How many 2 are there in 6? 3. How many 2 are there in 10? It is 5. So you can write 3 over 5 for this fraction. And here now again, let's see, focus this one. Here after decimal point you have 2 digit, right? 1 2, here 2 digit. So forget that decimal point. Now think here what the value we have, yeah? Just 12, no? Right, 12. And then here after decimal point 2 digit, so that's why you need to put 2 0 and 1, right? This is the fraction for this, right? This is equal to this. Now you can again simplify this one. You can divide this both by 4. How many 4 are there in 12? 3. How many 4 are there in 100? It is 25. So answer is 3 over 25. It's like that. And if I consider another one, right, now I will think this one 0.008, right? 008. Now here after decimal point you have 3 digit, 1 2 3. So you have to forget this decimal point, think what the value you have. Just 8, no? Zeros are not considered here, just 8. Then after decimal point you have 3 digit, so that's why I put 3 zeros and 1, right? Now this is as a fraction, it's like this. Then you can cut down, here you can cut down again by 4. If I cut here 4, it's 2, and here if you cut down by 4, it will be 250, right? How many 4 are there in 10? 2, like that. And then again you can cut here, right? Actually you can divide this both by 8%, but it's okay, but the method come to your mind, do it. Now here again you can divide this by 2. How many 2 are there in 2? 1. How many 2 are there in 250 is 125. So answer will be 125, right? That means 1 over 125. So this is as a fraction is this. Like that, you can convert any decimal number as a fraction. Okay, let's say get another number like this. Now here 127.8, right? Now when you have this kind of number, here also check after decimal point how many digit we have. Here after decimal point only one digit. So that's why as a fraction, if you need to write this, you need to write without decimal point. Check what the number is. So it will be 1278. And over here after decimal point one digit, so 1 and 1 0, right? This is the fraction of this. This is when you convert as a fraction, this is the answer, right? But after that you can simplify this, you can divide this both by 2 and like that. But this is the main idea. If you need to convert any decimal number as a fraction, this is the simple way.